Okay, so you have one way of solving this, which is shown in the practice exam. This is the same question, but there's lots of ways to solve it, so I'll do it a different way. And you'll see the answers won't be identical. And that's okay, because the question is estimate. And so when it says estimate, you have more freedom than when it says calculate. If it says calculate, then I'm expecting an accurate answer, probably an exact answer. It says estimate the total distance the object traveled between t is 0 and t equals 6, but this shows a velocity. So we are looking for accumulated, accumulated area. Okay? So we're going to estimate where the curve crosses the various lines here. Okay, so this is 0, 0. Obviously, this is roughly, let's just say 12. It doesn't really matter exactly. It's about the same here. Let's make that 17. Let's make that 21, 24, and 27. Not perfect. Make this one 31. Okay? This is the same question we had actually on the last exam, but not exactly the same. It's a graphical version of the question about the population of the world, if you remember that one. This is monotonically increasing, so we can just estimate the area under the curve here by all sorts of different methods. If we do this kind of approximation, that's the same as what we did on the last exam. So we're just going to be adding up rectangles or triangles or something like that. Okay, so let's figure out what all this area is. Let's see, figure this out. Draw some triangles here. Okay, first one is a triangle. And let's see, change colors so we can see what we're doing a little better. Rectangles are easier than triangles, so let's do this area here is 12, and this area right here. Okay, and then the next one is 17, and 21, and 24, and 27. Now we have to figure out these hard ones. Okay, so 12, if this were all another block, it would be 12, but this is half of it, so that's 6. 12 to 17 is 5, so you get a height of 5, so 2.5. 17 to 21, that's 4, so 2. I'm just figuring out what the rectangle would be and then dividing by 2. Okay, from 21 to 24, that's 3, so this triangle's about 1.5. And this is about height 3, so again 1.5. Height 4, so about 2. We're just going to pull out the little calculator here, and let's do a basic calculator. This is really simple arithmetic here. Then we're going to go 6 plus 12 plus 17, whoops, there's 17, plus 21, plus 24, plus 27. So the rectangles is equal to 107, and the triangles, okay, is equal to, let's see, 6 plus, okay, I'm going to group some of these, 4.5 plus 5, 15.5 plus 107 equals 122.5. Okay, and on the practice exam I said 115 because I was doing it more visually. Okay? Both, 115 is okay, 122.5 is okay. I'm more concerned about your mechanism of how you get the answer than exactly what your answer is. But it should be within a reasonable ballpark.